Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends, in this video I will tell you some of the secrets that I discovered about my trimmer. I bought this trimmer here. See this trimmer? It's Ryobi. It's Ryobi 10 amp 18-inch trimmer. Like for example, see this box here? It's a 10 amp electric 18-inch string trimmer, and it can take many attachments. Like for example, it can take a blower or a chainsaw, and also it says, see, real easy bump feed head dual 0.08 inch line. So the line it takes is 0.08 inch thickness, and this one here, see this one, this machine here, it see, this is where you attach. You remove this screw, remove this this weed eater, and you put another attachment like a blower or a chainsaw, and it's very easy. You just insert it and put the screw back, and when you are operating it, there is a safety device. See the switch here? You first have to press this, and then you press the trigger below. See this trigger below? But trigger will not work unless you have to put the top one in, and then the trigger, and then it will work, okay? And now I will show you, see this, see the head here? See the head here is, it has two strings, one string coming this way, one string coming this way, so more power. And if I want to make it longer, you just press this. See, as you press this, it becomes longer. If you think it's too long, this one here, you just just turn it clockwise and see how it becomes less now. See, it becomes small, and if I want to make it longer, you just press. What do you do when you have run out of line and you can't make it longer because the string is all finished? Now I will show you how to do that. Okay? Stop. So let's suppose that the string has all finished and I want to change the spring. So there is a knob on both sides. So you press on the knobs, and then it comes out. And there is a part inside which comes out. See, there's a part inside and a part outside. Okay, so so what you do is, let's suppose you take it out. Okay, so we have this string, and inside the part there is a hole. So you insert the hole into this hole, and it comes out the other side, okay? And then you make it even, so that both sides are same length. Okay, so we do it like this, so both are same length, okay? And and now we can close, now we have to basically make sure that they are both same length. Okay, so make sure they are both same length. And once you have done it, then we can just put it back. So we put it back like this one here. This part goes in this hole. This part goes in this hole. And we push it, push it in. And now the big string is coming out, so we can just use this to shorten it. See, this is to rewind. See, we just keep on rewinding it. I think this is good enough. This is good enough. So this is how you put it together. Okay? They also tell you that you can just insert a string from outside, one end into this hole, and then it comes out to the other hole. But if your string is not is crooked like this, the way it is crooked, it will not come out. So that's why you have to open it and put it. Okay? So this is how you put the string in this machine. It's a very good machine. Okay. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.